Hey guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to locate Venus by sign and by placement in your birth chart, and also Leo in case you don't know. So you're going to go to astro.com. It's fast and free. You're going to click on charts and calculations. You're going to go down here and click the extended chart selection. And then what you're going to do is add your info. I'm just making something up here as I go along. And you're obviously going to put in your accurate birth data. Accuracy is extremely important, okay? I'm just making things up here. All right. Okay, so you're going to have your name here, natal chart wheel, web default style. You're going to keep the date the same, and you're just going to change the house system to Placidus. And all you're going to do is click show the chart. And it's going to show you the chart, okay? So you'll see it tells you your sun sign, your ascendant, aka rising sign. And then you're going to look here, and if you're not familiar with astrology, don't panic because there's a table down here that describes it. But here is the wheel. The signs on the outside are the zodiac symbols. The inner wheel here, these are the planets. You can see the sun, you can see the moon. But we're going to focus on Venus. So this is Venus right over here, okay? And so for this person, Venus is in the first house, okay, in the sign of Sagittarius. Now, if you look down here, it actually tells you Venus is at 14 degrees, okay, 25 minutes and 44 seconds of Sagittarius, Sag, right here, okay? So that will tell you your Venus placement. Now, Leo is right up here. This is the symbol for Leo. So everyone's chart's going to look different, okay, especially when you have the accurate birth data. So Leo here is this person's 8th house. See that? Leo is here in the 8th house. And if you want to see where Venus is by transit right now, you just click with transits, okay? And then this is going to show you, see, Venus, because Venus is currently in Leo as of June 5th. Venus is now transiting Fred's 8th house, okay? You see that? Venus is transiting Fred's 8th house. So that is where Venus is. So this is where Venus will be for the Venus through retrograde cycle. Hope that helps.